Morning, everybody. I am en route to go pick up a little V-nose 4x6 cargo trailer. I'm going to be putting racks on top of it, putting my rooftop tent, and turning it into a little camp wagon. So I am about an hour and 40 minutes into the drive. We should be getting there fairly soon. It's just getting light enough to see. I had to get up pretty early. It's about 4 o'clock this morning to go get this before work. And then hopefully after work I can get it all set up. So we are ready to go this weekend.
Well, I got the trailer. There it is. I wasn't expecting it to have seams on top, but that should be fine. He knocked a little bit off to help me get those solid. But right now it's bumping pretty hard, so I'm gonna put the seats out of the back of the Tahoe in there to help it ride a little bit better. There we go. All right, there I got a couple seats in there. It's gonna be a fun conversion. So straight off to my buddy Russ, who has a pretty cool fabrication shop. He works with aluminum, he builds boats, everything you could imagine. So he went ahead and welded up some roof racks for me, did a great job. I pulled in, let's see, what was it, on Tuesday, and within a matter of no time, he had these welded up and installed for me. I gotta say, there's no way I could make a weld look like that. But if you're interested in him, check out the link below. I got a link to his website. So now comes the fun part. I got to slide the rooftop tent over. A little bit awkward. I could have done it on my own, but I thought it'd be a whole lot easier just to have a friend come over from next door. So he came over, helped me slide it on, and now it's just a matter of bolting it down. Eventually, I'm going to put a big beefy axle with big oversized tires on this. So the 4-pin had to be redone, so I got some new ones. Also, the trailer didn't come with a jack, so I went to Harbor Freight and picked this guy up. Super cheap, works good, haven't had any issues with it. So now it's time to load it up, throw all this stuff in, and go camping. Nice thing about having a trailer like this is you just throw all the junk in. It doesn't matter what order it's in, just throw it in. I put some hooks up. These hooks are super handy for hanging fishing poles on or whatever else. That's pretty much it. We got the bikes loaded up. I got rid of my bike. I don't even ride a bike anymore. I've got what do they call that thing? It's a one wheel. Yeah, so I just throw that in the car. These things are super handy for just ripping around on the campground. And then I've got these. Those have been super helpful for when I go camping. You put those down, they stick down, and they hold everything in place. It's not sliding all over the place. Got the water cannon up there, so we can take showers if we need to. And it still works. It still works really well. Well, we gotta go, but we can't because apparently there's a draw while I was loading it up all morning and the battery's dead. So starting it, we gotta wait a few minutes. We're supposed to be heading out right now in order to make it to swim lessons for the boys before we leave town. Let's go, come on, charge. Bingo, we're in. Yeah. All right. So we've got a 2015 Kia Sorento. The towing capacity for this one is like 1650, I believe. It's just the 4-cylinder. So I pulled up to a weigh scale and unhooked from it just to see where I was at, fully loaded with the water and everything in the cannon. And we're at 1140. Nice. So not bad. I can still put some more weight on this, and it pulled totally fine over the pass. Biggest problem with going over the pass was a fire that we ran into. So that's going to make our camping trip a little smoky. So the test of whether this is going to work out or not is if my wife can open it. Yeah, you just pull down. If it's too hard, I can get it. That would be fun for you to try. There you go. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All those bar 3 workout. There we go. Come on, baby. No, just there you go. Just yeah. There it is. She got it. Give mom a high five, boys. So as we set this awning up, hey, I'd love to hear from you guys. What kind of rooftop tent would you guys put on this little trailer? And I'm thinking about names for this thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. I'm thinking about maybe calling it the Cracker Box. So if you can, just drop a comment on what you would call this setup. What should we name it? And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Throw a like my way. I'm going to be making some more modifications to this setup here. I think I'm going to put an awning off of one side, maybe get rid of the water cannon. But let me know what you guys want to see. Love to hear from you.